Hey everyone, have you ever done a lily before? Today we're going to go through it and I'm going to show you how to, well, get the lily. And we'll start off with the clear resin. Hi, my name is Beatrice from ArtObsessionoz. Today we're going to do a lily, a Cali lily if possible, and we'll do it in unusual colors, but you know, nature has different, you can choose any colors you want, I guess, in nature. So we'll get down to it and we'll start by, I'll show you what my temperature of the resin is. So it's 32 degrees at the moment. I'm using a fast cure resin by ArtCo. I'm going to take a little bit in here, roughly around 30 grams, because that should be enough. 30 grams, and I'll keep that apart for my white. Now remember that the temperature of this and this are the same at the moment, but the minute I put this in here, it's going to cool off. So not to panic. The little insects coming through my caravan window. So we'll just put this in here. Now we've got a few little bubbles that are sticking to the, you've got to get rid of those, or try and get rid of those, because you'll end up having to do a top coat. I mean, if you don't mind doing it, that's fine, but okay. Give it another brush, and now just be careful of your mold. Now I'm going to put my colors in. It's going to be unusual colors, but I love these colors. It's lavender, I may go over them with another drop to get some intense color, and I'm going to put yellow in the middle. Oh, that's my timer. You can also have a timer, you know, for like keeping an eye on your resin. Some people have said to me that they don't have thermometers. Well, a one-on-one resin, I would say, depending on what you use, of course, I think 20 minutes would be, I think, ample. Okay, so now I'm going to mix my white. I'm going to take 4 drops in here. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 and a tail. So I'll just mix this up nicely so there's no streaks. Okay, I'm going to put another drop of this on here. And now I'll transfer it into my bag. Now when you put it into a bag, you've got more, like people were saying, you know, on my, in Facebook, oh, it's so hard to do, it's this, it's that. No, it's not. It's, if you put it in a bag like this, you'll be able to control it. Okay. I'll do small lilies. Never done this type before, so that was the first time, right? I'll just do some, oops. Okay, we're gonna leave it bare minimum. Oops. Now you can leave it like this, or you can pull it out. Whether you pull it out or not, it'll still pull into the middle. That's how resin works. It has a mind of its own. Now I'm going to do something, hopefully it works. That's it, and we'll see you for the unmolding. See you for now. Okay, time for demolding. Let's see how these lilies turned out. Okay, you ready? Oh, wow. Absolutely stunning. Let me turn this light off. Is that gorgeous or what? Where's my black? What do you guys think? I'll bring you down. Look at those petals. Oh, this is just a wow. There's a little piece I made too, with leftovers. That came out absolutely stunning. I'll put the gold around and get some pictures for you. Like, subscribe. I work very hard to get these out to you guys. It doesn't cost you anything, so it'll be supporting me and supporting my channel. Thank you so much. Bye.